Hi, Thalia. How you doing? All right, let's go and take a look. Really great start so far. Nice work. Let's go ahead and take a look at the first composition. The first composition is asking for no contrast in scale, I'm sorry, in size or weight, and all hierarchy should be based on grouping, which we've successfully done here. But you're also, I just want you to understand, you're also adding another facet of hierarchy by placement. This is not an alignment here. So to suffice those requirements, what I would do is I would just move this over and left align it right here. That's going to create nothing but hierarchy based on grouping. Okay. Second composition, we're looking for one new size and one new weight. Now the interesting thing here is here's your new size and here's your new weight. However, hierarchy is compromised because the new size is larger than the type with the new weight. So basically what we're not really establishing 1, 2, 3 hierarchy, and we're not establishing a new height. Well, we are establishing a new size and new weight, but hierarchy is a little bit compromised in that this should be in #1 position in hierarchy, but it's not because it's compromised a little bit because this is so big. My recommendation here would be to do this. Keep rum and red, keep that the same size and weight as this. Keep it placed right there. That's great. But what I would do here is take 1960, leave that the same, just increase Chevy Corvette, increase the scale, the size a little bit. All right, that would be introducing one new weight, one new size, but it would be preserving the hierarchy. Okay, and then you have good alignment here. So that would be great. That would be a great solution for that. Okay, this one is asking for, third composition is asking for multiple changes, multiple contrasts in weight and scale. Now here's a new weight and scale, here's another new weight and scale, but these are all the same. So we don't have multiple changes. Do you see what I'm saying? You want to add multiple changes here, all right? And then in the fourth composition, again, multiple changes. You have one new size, one new weight, but that's it. Remember, multiple, all right? Now, the fourth composition is a little problematic because you have the card is in color and it's only bleeding in one spot. If we go to the course, if we go to the assignment specs right here, we can see that the car has to be cropped, okay? Which, well, I'm sorry, it already is. The car has to, it has to bleed in 2 places, and then also black and white and shades of gray. So I would, you need to take, excuse me, take this into Photoshop and do a black and white adjustments layer and then replace it. Okay, other than that, I think you're doing a really, really good job here in terms of establishing hierarchy. But just a couple of things here that we want to just make sure that we're adhering to the course, the assignment requirements. Now, one thing that's going to be just a wonderful help for you in your second submission here is to take a look at page 101 in the textbook. And page 101 has a bunch of examples of this exact, well, not exact assignment, but the exact same premise. And there's 9 examples here, and each one is better. It's just a fantastic lesson. I want you to spend some time on page 101, really study these, read the descriptions, and really understand and really try to understand how hierarchy is being created here by alignment, by contrasts, specifically emphasis in areas of scale and weight. Okay, so definitely take a look at page 101. Consider my comments in this video and apply them to your final submission coming up this Sunday. And then, of course, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be glad to make any necessary clarifications. All right, fantastic. Really great start here, Thalia. Thanks so much for sharing.